Today,
It's a big day,
because we need your vote.
but this time, not for music video.
You will vote for one album of your choice.
Yes, of your favorite group.
And
They are EXO, the war, the power of music.
Girls' Generation Holiday Night.
BTS, Love Yourself Here.
Card Hola Hola.
Red Velvet, The Red Summer.
It's a beautiful sky.
Got 7 747.
Taemin from Shiny, Move.
New West WW Here.
The album which will have highest score.
We're gonna buy it.
And do reaction for it.
The big surprise
We will choose a winner from all fans.
to win this album.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
Make share,
Like,
comment.
don't forget, subscribe.